Hi there, students. Skulk. To skulk. Nearly always a verb, but it could be a noun. Okay, to skulk is to go somewhere, to hide somewhere where you can't be seen. Often because you don't want to be seen, you're hiding from people or you're embarrassed or depressed. It can be with the intent of doing harm as well. So there was a man skulking in the bushes. I don't know what he was doing, but yeah, it wasn't very good. Okay, so that's the idea of to skulk. Or we can use to skulk to mean to move about in a stealthy way, in a furtive way, so that people don't notice you and you can avoid being noticed. He skulked out of the room. Yeah, he left the room without anybody noticing him. And then finally, to skulk, to avoid obligation, to avoid your responsibility, to shirk, to malinger. I can see you skulking at the back there. Answer the question. Yeah, hiding because you don't really want to answer the question. Okay, so yeah, he was skulking in the woods because he was very worried about the scandal that was going on about him. Yeah, so to lie in hiding, maybe because you've got bad conscience, for your conscience is pricking you, or you're frightened of someone. The mafia told him he had 24 hours to pay the 5,000 that he owed, and he didn't have it. So he tried to find somewhere to skulk so that they wouldn't notice him. And if he went anywhere, he skulked to that place. He moved to that place. Yeah. Okay. So also this idea of avoiding work. Yeah. Malingering. If you skulk at the back, the teacher is always going to notice you, unfortunately. Yeah, because the teacher normally looks at the back. So the back is not a good place for a skulker. Yeah, skulking's not the best is not the place for the back room. Okay, so to hide yourself, it most normally is because you're afraid, because you don't want to be seen. It can be with bad intent, but I would prefer the verb to lurk, which means to hide, and that if you're lurking, it's definitely with bad intentions. Skulk can also be with bad intentions, but it's more commonly you're skulking because you don't want to be seen. You're embarrassed about being seen. Yeah. Okay, so to skulk. Notice as well, for those of you into Trivial Pursuit, a skulk is a group of foxes. A very unusual word. Most people won't know that definition. Okay, so let's see. To skulk is a regular verb. He skulked in the bushes. He skulked behind the house. He has skulked all day, trying to avoid participating in this hard digging. Okay, so to skulk. To hide away, to move from place to place in a way that nobody notices you. My dad said come home at midnight, and it was 3 a.m., so I skulked into the house. And then to skulk, to avoid work, to try to bunk off. Yeah, he spent half the day skulking in the toilets. So there you go. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Skulk.